It's the most powerful Surface we've ever made.
In the next few minutes, I'll give you an in-depth tour of the design and engineering of the all-new Surface Laptop Studio, the most powerful Surface to date. When we set out to design Surface Laptop Studio, we challenged ourselves with how we could build our most versatile laptop with unparalleled performance, all while delivering the best possible experience with Windows 11. The PixelSense Flow touch display spans 14.4 inches, and it uses our signature 3:2 aspect ratio with a 2400 by 1600 resolution. Notice that the entire display surround is black to minimize distractions. You can adjust brightness from 500 nits all the way down to 2 nits to reduce eye strain and adjust for low light conditions. The faster 120 Hz refresh rate in the display also helps Surface Laptop Studio deliver the best and most realistic inking experience. Performance tuned with the latest generation of discrete NVIDIA GPUs and 11th generation Intel Core H series processors. In fact, GPU performance is the highest of the Surface family with discrete NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti or NVIDIA RTX A2000 for business. And the GPUs also support ray tracing, hardware acceleration for faster graphics rendering. Additionally, Surface Laptop Studio also has options for up to 2 terabytes of storage using M.2 NVMe SSDs. Laptop Studio comes with 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. They're capable of high-speed data transfers of up to 40 gigabits per second, and it works with a breadth of peripherals to make it easier to customize your home or work setup. And even with its powerful capabilities and discrete GPU, Surface Laptop Studio still offers all-day battery life with up to 19 hours of typical use.